Understanding from the Inception. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, from the inception. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's incredibly useful for expressing the beginning of something. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your own English speaking and writing. From the inception refers to starting from the beginning or origin of something. The word inception itself means the commencement, start, or establishment of an activity, process, or period. When we say, from the inception, we're talking about looking back to the very start of something. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal discussions about the origins of an idea to casual conversations about the beginning of a relationship or project. It's important to note that it's often used in more formal or written English. Here are a few tips on how to use it. Combine it with time expressions to specify when something began. Use it in narratives to highlight the starting point of a story or journey. Incorporate it into discussions about the development or history of an idea, project, or institution. Let's look at some examples to better understand how from the inception can be used. The project faced challenges from the inception. This sentence suggests that the project encountered difficulties starting right from the beginning. She was involved in the planning process from the inception of the event. Here, it indicates that she was part of the event's planning team from the very start. From the inception of the company, we have focused on sustainable practices. This example shows the company's commitment to sustainability from its foundation. Understanding and using the phrase, from the inception, can add depth to your English communication, especially when discussing beginnings or origins. Remember, the key is to use it when you want to emphasize the starting point of something. We hope this video helps you grasp the concept and encourages you to practice using it in your own sentences. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.